Harvard physicist, new interstellar comet might be alien tech. In a surprising twist, a recently detected celestial visitor to our solar system has sparked a fascinating debate among scientists. The object, known as 3I Atlas, was first spotted on July 1st by NASA's Atlas telescope in Chile. What makes this discovery particularly intriguing is that it's only the third known interstellar object to ever enter our solar system. However, the intrigue doesn't end there. Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard University has put forth a bold hypothesis. 3I Atlas might not be a natural comet at all, but could instead be an alien probe sent by an extraterrestrial civilization. Loeb's argument is based on several peculiar characteristics of the object. Firstly, the trajectory of 3I Atlas around the Sun is almost perfectly aligned with Earth's orbit, a coincidence that occurs with a mere 0.2% probability. Additionally, the object's size and behavior don't quite match those of a typical comet. Loeb notes that its brightness suggests a diameter of around 20 kilometers, which is larger than what would be expected for an interstellar asteroid. But there's more. 3I Atlas is set to make an unusually close pass by Venus, Mars, and Jupiter this fall, an alignment that has a mere 0.005% probability of occurring randomly. Loeb also points out that the comet will be hidden from Earth's view when it reaches its closest point to the Sun on October 29th, a detail he finds suspicious and potentially intentional to avoid detailed observations. Interestingly, spectroscopic observations of 3I Atlas have not revealed any typical cometary gas features, further fueling the debate. While Loeb's theory is certainly captivating, it's not without its skeptics. Richard Moisel, head of planetary defense at the European Space Agency, argues that the available observations point to a natural origin for the object, likely from an orbit around a distant star in our galaxy. This isn't the first time Loeb has proposed an extraterrestrial explanation for a celestial object. In 2022, he theorized that the mysterious Oumuamua might also be of alien origin. Despite the ongoing debate, Loeb emphasizes the importance of considering all possibilities and being prepared for any outcome. As scientists continue to gather data on 3I Atlas, the hope is that a clearer picture of its nature will emerge. This fascinating discovery not only challenges our understanding of the universe but also highlights the potential for unexpected wonders lurking beyond our solar system. So, is 3I Atlas a cosmic rock or a message from the stars? Only time will tell. Harvard scientists suggest interstellar object could be alien probe. Prepare to have your mind blown. A massive, Manhattan-sized object is hurtling through our solar system right now, and some experts believe it could be more than just a chunk of space rock. Could this mysterious visitor be an alien probe secretly observing us, or even evaluating Earth as a threat? This isn't science fiction. It's the hot debate stirring up the astronomy world. NASA recently spotted an enormous interstellar object, about the size of Manhattan, tearing through our inner solar system at a blistering 140,000 miles per hour. Dubbed 31 Atlas, it was first observed on July 1st by the Atlas telescope in Chile. Here's where it gets controversial. While some have classified it as a comet, renowned Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and his colleagues aren't so sure. In a provocative new paper, Loeb and his team argue that 31 Atlas might be no ordinary comet at all. It could actually be a sophisticated alien probe. If true, this would mark only the third time in recorded history that we've detected an object entering our solar system from interstellar space. And this is the part most people miss. If 31 Atlas is an artificially guided craft, it may be actively observing us, and its intentions remain a cosmic mystery. Loeb and his team lay out two bold scenarios. The object's mission might be peaceful, or it could have darker motives. They suggest that, like a scout ship in science fiction, an intelligent extraterrestrial craft could be covertly measuring and monitoring our solar system, perhaps even weighing Earth's defenses. What makes 31 Atlas so puzzling? For starters, its movement isn't fully explained by the gravitational forces of nearby planets. The object travels with apparent acceleration that doesn't fit standard comet behavior, such as the outgassing seen when comets get close to the Sun. Even more curious, its trajectory brings it startlingly close to planets like Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, yet the statistical likelihood of such close passes is vanishingly small. The mystery deepens with its low retrograde tilt, a kind of orbital angle that potentially enables the object to approach Earth and certain planets with little interference. This same tilt makes any attempt to intercept or rendezvous with 31 Atlas incredibly difficult for humanity, not exactly reassuring if we are being watched by ETs. According to Loeb's paper, these unusual flight characteristics could allow any occupants, if there are any, to gather detailed data on the planets in our system. They might be studying our orbits and masses to prepare a future encounter strategy. And here's a provocative detail. On October the 29th, 31 Atlas will pass behind the Sun from our perspective, temporarily disappearing from Earth's view. Is it merely a coincidence, or is something more deliberate at play? Adding another controversial layer, Loeb's paper invokes the dark forest hypothesis. This theory, introduced in the sci-fi novel The Dark Forest by Cixin Liu, speculates that advanced civilizations would see each other as potential threats, preferring secrecy or even preemptive strikes. It's a stark counterargument to the Fermi paradox, which asks why, if alien life is common, we've never met any. Are we simply overanalyzing a comet, or could this really be a first contact scenario hiding in plain sight? Or is our desire to find signs of life out there clouding our scientific judgment? What do you think? Is 31 Atlas a cosmic coincidence or evidence of something more extraordinary? Do you agree with the dark forest theory that we should be wary of unknown visitors? Let's get a debate going. Share your thoughts below and challenge the conventional wisdom.